Hello and welcome. Glad you could join us for the official unboxing of the Gaui G-Power F-50 four-stroke gasoline engine. This mechanical work of art comes enclosed in a stylish protective box. We hope to provide you with all the details you need to understand about the features and advantages of this great high-performance engine. Planet Hobby, the North American importers for Gaui G-Power, is very pleased to add this performance engine to our line of competition products. The fixed-wing aircraft community may not have heard of Gaui G-Power engines. However, this engine has been around for several years and has built a phenomenal reputation in the model helicopter community. The engine actually made its debut in military applications where performance, long-term reliability, and versatility in complex environments make it the engine of choice in this high-tech application. So what do we have in here? Well, first of all, we've got the ignition module. What else do we have? Then we have the exhaust and the included exhaust muffler. And finally, the work of art itself. There it is, the magnificent Gaui F-50 four-stroke engine. You know, this is an engine which quickly separates itself from the competition. Four-stroke engines offer many advantages for larger scale models. They're highly responsive to your every command, powerful and very fuel efficient. These are the same reasons, for example, that your car utilizes four-stroke technology. You don't see many automotive designs with loud and hard to start and control two-stroke engines. Leave those to the weed eaters where low cost and not quality and performance is the primary objective. Oh, and did I mention the unique scale sound of this four-stroke engine? We all know that the unique scale sound can change the entire perception of your model. Whether it's a high-performance pattern ship, a state-of-the-art 3D design, or any of the classic warbirds, such as a P-51 or Spitfire, or any classic designs from the early days of aviation. This engine can dramatically alter the reaction you will get from your fellow modelers from the moment you hit the start button on the transmitter and they hear this unique sound just like the full-scale planes. Oh, but wait, we are getting just a little ahead of ourselves. Yes, the Gaui G-Power engines are available with onboard electric starters. Imagine the thrill of starting your model with the flip of a switch using the integrated electric starter. You can see how well it's machined with the mounting plates toward the front and the very high performance gearing in the back to make starting as easy as pushing a button. The Gaui G-Power engines come in 4 configurations. There's a rear intake model with the starter. There's the rear intake model without the starter. The side intake without the starter. And finally, the side intake with starter, which we show here mounted on this Inversa 62 high-performance pattern ship. Let's take a look at some details that separates this engine even more from all the competition. The engine comes with an exhaust silencer. However, also available as an option is a beautifully polished aluminum muffler for those wanting a little less of that great four-stroke sound or those forced to comply with club rules having strict noise limitations. Note the crankcase. All 100% CNC, produced out of aircraft-grade aluminum bar stock. You get the lightest and strongest case available, not a casting used where cost and not quality and long life were the manufacturing goals. Inside you'll find the highest quality crankshaft ball bearings and a unique rod with a sleeve bearing design complying with military requirements for a bearing with maximum service life. The sleeve is hard chromed, supporting a ring designed for extended durability and maximum performance. The ignition system features auto advance, which responds instantly to your requests for a change in throttle by adjusting the spark timing to advance the timing for maximum power output. Here are a few performance details you may be interested in. Gaui recommends a high-octane premium gasoline. Avgas is not recommended. Mix the gasoline with high-quality two-stroke oil at a ratio of 20:1. 1 gallon of gasoline mixed with 6.4 ounces of two-stroke oil provides the recommended 20-to-1 mixture. Now, prop size, as always, is highly dependent on the type of plane and your personal preference. However, a good starting point is a 20 by 10 or 21 by 10 prop. The Gaui uses the CM6 spark plug, which is not included. I'll point out that no gap setting is required, which is another advantage. The engine uses the well-known and proven Walbro carburetor. The displacement of this engine is just under 50 cc, 49.87 cc to be exact. Practical RPM range is 1200 to 7000 RPM, swinging props in the 20 by 10 and 21 by 10 range. The weight of the non-starter version is 1,500 grams, and the weight of the starter version is 1,900 grams. The list price for the side or rear intake engines without starter is $999. List price for either model with the starter is $1,120. The Gaui G-Power engines are designed to work with a wide range of planes from 30 to 50 cc sized airframes, and due to its compact design, it will fit into a variety of cowls to provide a more realistic scale appearance. Planet Hobby is the authorized warranty servicing center and makes available a full set of replacement parts. This engine is available through a network of hobby shops in the United States supported by Planethobby.com. Thanks for your interest in the Gaui engines, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these Gaui engines unboxed.